Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to turn on or off save data backup for specific games on Nintendo Switch 2. If you want to select which games will and which will not be backed up with their save data to the cloud, which of course save data backup is only available for those that have Nintendo Online membership, then you'll need to go to the settings. Now go to data management, save data cloud, click on your profile that you want to change this setting on, go to settings, advanced save data settings, and now select or unselect the games from the list that you want or do not want to backup save data to the cloud from. And I hope that you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.